So as you guys know, I had to send off my 370 amp alternator for repair. And after getting it back, before putting it in, I went through and did a test on all the wiring to make sure everything was perfect. Turns out the resistor in the turn-on wire was burned out. So I got another resistor, and this video, in the beginning, you're going to see me repairing that harness.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So deep inside here is a very heavily protected and supported resistor that's going to handle the resistance. And this is my voltage pull for the alternator, and then the green. So we are solid to get this installed probably tomorrow afternoon, maybe. We'll see.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Got some of the wiring back on, actually most of it. This is how my start wire for my alternator is running along here. So, and the pickup for it is here, and the end of it is here. I don't have them hooked up yet, but they're both right there together. I'm not figuring out where exactly I'm putting this at, but anyway, we're getting there. Everything is back together and fully functional, and I have got a couple of things I need to do. I need to mount this relay, and I've at least temporarily added a switch to where I can turn off this alternator with this breaker down here. Just use a breaker like a switch, and that's in between my ignition turn-on wire and the alternator. So that's after the relay, before the alternator. Everything powered up, and I'm pretty sure that alternator is kicking out some juice, so that's good. I am getting ready to do a thing with the lithium battery. Okay, so right now the Tahoe has been sitting without running for about 2 hours, and it's at 12.3 volts, the bank, and it'll drop. It's about where it stops at right now. It stops about there, just sitting. And so I bought this whole bank with the bars and the cells from an individual I did not know off Facebook Marketplace, and a couple of the cells were bad, and I pulled those out and reduced it from a 13 to a 12, pulled a whole row out, a whole parallel row out, and or a series row out. Yeah. Anyway, pulled that out, and seemed like everything was going pretty good for a little bit. You know, it's holding voltage well and everything, and then it just took a total crap. And I don't know whether the cells were just wore out, I mean completely wore out, or maybe I caused damage, because I did these bolts on these outer banks. These top bolts are a little longer than the bottom bolt than these are. I don't remember what the length was, but they're longer. And afterwards, I was like, man, did I accidentally go too far with those bolts? Are they damaging the cells? So, at worst, let's assume that both the outer rows are completely destroyed. At worst, and assume that this whole 2 center rows are still good. That would be what, 12 times 2, 24 cells. I could still make a bank out of those, but for some reason this thing is not performing at all like it's supposed to. And since it's been doing funky stuff, it's been constantly balancing, and that tells me that there's something wrong with the cell. If that balancer is constantly on, like just every time you look at it, it's on, you got a cell that's dead somewhere, or a couple of cells or whatever, and that's an issue. So I have a plan, a temporary and 2 permanent possible plans, and but 1 temporary plan. All right, so here's the temporary plan, and I got both of my AGMs in here, and they hadn't been on for weeks, but you can see they're sitting at 12.61 together, and I'm going to put them on a charger and let them trickle and build back up. But these are going back in, and the headways are coming out for right now. All right, we got the charger going. It says it's at 70%, and this little charger here will do lead acid or lithium. Pretty cool little dude. You guys want to check it out. It does a 3 amp charge, or a 3 amp maintainer. I'm not sure what it actually charges at, but it does a pretty good job. It'll pull them up and take care of them, but it'll also do lithium. So I got her hooked up and charging. I got a doctor's appointment, so I got to grab me a shower and get ready for that. And when I get back from that, hopefully we'll have these bad boys up to full. Well, it says they're 77%, so they were pretty close. 79%. Yeah, they're coming up quick. So they should be good to go when I get back, and I'll put them in there and get that headway bank out, and yeah.